That's gonna screw up my normal route.
A few minutes later.
Back on track. Hey, hey, hey.
So passenger side goes up, but it won't go down.
The window?
No, the headlight.
Oh, the headlight.
It winked at me.
Hey! Fish, wink. Wink for YouTube.
Wink for YouTube.
Yeah! Oh, look at that. Fish, you need some eye drops. Looking all right since what happened last episode.
Oh shit! My bad. He told me it was front wheel.
I thought it was rear wheel.
We got the new battery.
Woo!
Okay.
Just give you a spark.
Yeah. Very much so.
You get shocked by it, or did it just give you a light show?
Give me a light show.
Put on some rubber on that so you don't die.
Well, that's why that's there.
I mean, on the wrench thing.
That is true. Yeah.
I didn't get shocked. I'm good.
He's live, so
You caught that on video, didn't you?
I did.
That's normal for it.
Yeah, but turning the key all the way and it not popping, or at least trying.
Because you're not holding the clutch brake.
That's true. I'm an idiot. Thank all for noticing. Let me here. Look how far I have to scooch it back to get my legs to fit.
All the way back, and you still got a
This is
curve.
brake. This is clutch. I'm shutting the door because I'm gonna try to reverse it.
Hey, there we go.
Take the handbrake off.
Oh, you actually put it on this time.
Let off the brake and go back.
Almost. It's a choo-choo train.
I'll drive. Dave, you can't one shot, man.
It's Seth's car.
Get the passenger and I'll show you what to do. I'll show you and then I'll let you go. Okay?
Fine. Alright.
So off the brake. Touch the gas. You only want it to go to like the 1.
You turned your turn signal on.
Sorry, I'm sorry. Okay. Give it like a tap at 1. Just a little tap. And then slowly first. And slowly let off. That's not on the fucking foot. Slowly let off. Woo! That was nice. Wow.
She's going. Fish is going. She's swimming.
Okay, so let me reverse. So let you do. Yeah.
I don't have to worry because the cameraman always lives.
No.
What?
That was me killing it.
So clutch, brake.
Wait, why are you? Don't die.
I'm the only one who knows how to do stick. No, put the. Dude.
I know the theory.
Don't make it tap
Practice
higher
is
than 1.
different.
Dude, too much. Stop it. Dude, that's okay.
Hey, it works.
It did shift like a fucking dream, but holy shit, man.
I'm sorry.
Lead foot.
I'm
We're going racing.
Nope.
I'm sorry. I'm learning, okay?
I know. I'll reverse it back for you so we can keep it going.
I think the only reason you were scared is because you didn't have a seat.
No, I was scared because he popped it up and we would have started going 50 if he hadn't fucking.
I mean, the brake exists for a reason.
doors and shit open. Probably mine. I'm not gonna lie.
All this junk. The most I'm gonna contribute to this project is probably just cleaning and detailing.
Oh yeah, you're absolutely gonna help us with that. So you just want to pop it a little over one. Don't kill it. I did kill it on purpose that time. Okay. Hello.
Got it.
So understand. See that notch? I gotta stop doing that. The notch right above the one, that's about where you want to stay, in between those two. If you go any higher than that, it's called a money shift. And that is where I have to fix the entire fucking transmission.
Yeah, that
Please
ain't
do
good. I
not.
know that. I don't know that much.
Okay. Got it. But I can give it another try.
Yes.
I'm not gonna try until later, so. I'm holding on, don't worry.
Handbrake, handbrake. Shift it into first. Don't go over this notch. Give it just a little gas. And, nope, too much, slowly, just a little. And hold your foot there. It's about this. You gotta keep giving it gas and you gotta slowly pull off the clutch.
In the words of Skipper, just kiss it like you're kissing your sister.
Like you're kissing your sister.
Okay, one more try.
One more try. Pop it. Chicken in it first. Just give it a little bit, a little tap, and slowly let off of the clutch.
And we're running.
And we're running.
That was better.
Now stop it, now reverse.
Good job.
That was real good, dude.
The stick is stressful, dude. I'm getting out too.
I know.
We're riding.
Not because we're going through a tree.
And we're getting. Oh, there is a musty seatbelt. Oh, not both of y'all. You don't need two casualties.
The only casualty will be the car. Ooh, too much.
It's touchy.
I know. I just want to hit like 15 RPM. Come on. Pump it. Why are you being mean for me? Don't be mean. Being mean's not fun.
There we go.
Woo! Whee! Okay.
I know.
Woo!
Easy there, Buckaroo.
That's the ditch.
I know.
I just took like a champ. I told you we could rally tune this. It does look like it exploded.
Like, we witnessed a jailbreak for the ages. Yeah, I got that. I actually
You
broke
got
it
that?
this time.
You did? You broke it?
Yeah.
How'd you break
the tire
it?
iron out front? I pulled it too hard.
Alright,
You take the tire iron out front. You take the jack out front too.
got it. Teamwork. I have brought the iron. I am iron.
That's the jack.
Yeah, tire iron.
Be blessed, fish. Be blessed.
Put this under here to get it up, and then put it on that thing, because this will tear into the frame.
Oh yeah, I know that. I was there with Seth the first day I was here. We spent like half an hour just doing that.
Yeah, because you don't want to tear into the frame, and the back frame's kind of cooked.
So I know we've done the front brakes some, so we're working on the rears.
Yeah, we did the
Nice.
left rear before you got here.
Okay.
And then we drove it, so...
And then we drove it without even considering the right. Oh, that looks nice.
Yeah, see?
Oh, that looks very nice. Oh, they broke.
I do that all the time.
This is my favorite part, because he was stomping on it, and I'm just gonna... Here we go.
We had the same problem.
Oh, this one isn't a fit.
So, this is probably gonna end up being my car.
Absolutely. I can take you... Wait, since we're in the same grade, I can just drive us to school once I get my license.
Maybe let me get some steering.
Oh, that little WD-40 can't fix.
That's my
Except your brain.
name.
It'll probably make that worse.
Let me respond.
Smooth. This isn't bragging, this is just what I've learned. I'm the strongest here for some reason.
Oh, that's the goat from Goat Revive. Oh yeah, I remember this from the video thumbnail. From Goat Revive. Goat Revival. I'm hearing you bang around a lot. It's giving me flashbacks from episode 2. The 20 minutes of drilling and banging. The banging as in like hammers, you know what I mean.
Yeah. This is cack. These are dead. These are just rubbers that hold the thing on. That's why it's so shiny. They died newly. I'm giving them little helps because we don't want this to die.
Brakes are important for, I think it's an obvious reason.
Stopping. And you get it.
Stopping when Seth goes 50.
Yeah, it shifts at technically 4,000 RPMs. That was fun. You give it a little scrub down.
Already, that was like, just looking better.
Well, I'm going like, I don't know the exact pounds per square inch, but I'm pushing it at like 80, 90. I'm going in deep, boys. And also, unless you're like doing massive things, if you're doing massive things with the steel wool, you're gonna want to put it in your palm so you don't get as many splinters.
Yeah, that happened to me on the first day.
Yeah.
It came out no problem, but...
So you want to do it like this on big flat things? But I have weird fat ass fingers, and I can't do that on this tiny car. Tiny car. Cantankerous beat down.
She's down. Nice. Got the brake clean, got the wheel on.
Here, let me tighten all the shit.
All the brakes are good. She runs. What's next to do?
Drive it to my house, show my dad who didn't believe me.
So I think for the agenda, really, it's just more routine maintenance.
I'm grabbing my mason jar and we're filling it with coolant, so we have coolant.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, it's more routine maintenance, some cleaning. Probably just doing some suspension stuff. And I think after that, she should be good. And I don't know. Should need a lot of cleaning though.
In the metro.
So we're right into David's dad's house because David's dad didn't believe him. Awesome.
He was just looking at me. Okay, sounds good. Here.
My butt vibrated.
I'm here to...
And we're preparing for the drive, which is not far, by the way, but it's starting to rain. Oh yeah, it's picking up a bit. We're in the Turtle for Turtle Rescue, which is fabled for season 4. The camper. It's nice and cozy. I'd drive this if I knew how to actually drive something like this.
This stick, it has something called... Here, let me get over and explain. Oh wait, this one's an automatic. I forgot.
Oh, it is.
See, if it was a stick, it'd have a column here.
Yeah.
It'd be called floating the gear.
Huh.
Because is this a... This
Oh, that's a whole bunch of Magic the Gathering
This is a
stuff.
Wii condom.
Well, it is.
Condom?
It's what you call it.
I don't want a condom.
It's not actually a condom.
All right, David and the others are going. I'm gonna head home since it's been raining. End of episode 3 of Fish Rescue. Say bye.
See you, dude.
Bye.